I'm Captain Herb with DeAngelo Marine Exhaust, and we're here in the yard on a Westport 50 meter with plenty of noise in the background, but things are getting done today. DeAngelo Marine Exhaust has been called in to do a retrofit of exhaust and reinstallation and removal of the main exhaust. So over here we've got brand new generator on both port and starboard, and a center line replacement brand new generator. Over here we have diesel particulate by C-Clean, as well as on the other outboard generator, another diesel particulate system by C-Clean, which we sell and engineer over at DeAngelo Marine. The center line generator posed another problem, which we had to come up with very unique solutions to take the exhaust system and route it underneath the generator to connect it to the existing system. The idea was we wanted to have minimum changes, incorporating the new generators with different locations for their turbo outlets into the new generator installation. So we've been able to do this, and we've been able to stay on the timeline. We also removed the main exhaust, went through, tested the main exhaust, and called back in to reinstall it with new bellows, new gaskets, and all the above. So part of that was the examination, the pressure testing, and inspection of various components. We did find that some of the bellows and such, which everybody thought not to service, did require a replacement. Once things get disturbed, we find out it's best to get them tested and or plan on replacing certain components like that.